Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix billing problem on the Apple Store using phone. Let's get started. First, open the settings on your phone. Tap on your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. Then tap on payment and shipping. Make sure your payment method is valid and has enough funds. You can also add a new card or PayPal account if needed. Check that your billing address matches the address on your credit card. Incorrect information can cause payment problems. Tap your card to edit details or add a new address if needed. Once your payment info is correct, go back to the App Store or Apple Store app and try your purchase again. Often just updating the payment method fixes the problem. Sometimes Apple places a pending charge on your account. Open the App Store, tap your profile picture, then purchase. Make sure previous transaction completed. Pending charges can block new purchase. If none of this step works, open the Apple support app or visit support.apple.com. Tap billing and subscription and explain your problem. Apple support can help resolve the issue quickly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll fix billing problem on the Apple Store from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.